Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Creative Corner by Varsha. In today's video, we will see how to add styling to your calligraphy through bounce lettering. We will learn how to add that bounce in your letters. To understand the difference between the regular calligraphy and bounce lettering, we will see a word here. If you will see closely, you will find that the regular word is on the baseline and the bouncy one is below the baseline. You can do different variation in this. To understand better, I am drawing guidelines. This is the X height, which is the height of our letter. Now I will write the letter A. This is the regular letter A. And this is the bouncy one. The oval here is above the baseline and the downstroke is below the baseline. To give you a better idea, I am writing few more letters. There are no rules for this, but it should be done in a balanced way. Drawing the guidelines so you can see the difference. This is the X height. Now I'm using camlene brush pen. For regular calligraphy, everything is between the baseline and waistline except for ascenders and descenders. And in bouncy lettering, everything is going up and down, but in a balanced way. This is all about bounce lettering. Just remember to make balance between letters. Don't make it messy. Thank you for watching.